Nobody is above blocking. You stress me, I block you. You give me attitude, I block you. You come on my page, talk crazy stuff, I block you. You don't like me, me don't like you, I block you. It's real life.
Me no wrong you. I see him thing more than do. Block them too. You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you are check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know.
A bad man party.
So yesterday we do a video about Dexta Reacts because members say him say bring it to the owner, you know. And people are wonder if it's a man that come bring it him. And we get to understand it's not a man. So we can go and celebrate, you know. People, we have that story. Just hang on. I'm going to give you the full story on that. And we have some other topics. But we want to kick off the review on the vibes. So just make we listen some music and go straight to the topic.
Godfather. Man a shot caller.
In our recovery, I set that title, them I tell you, should I get some huggies? Me no go permission, we need that man a tuggy.
Bang 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 bad man. Can roll long dog, me nerve man.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
Chaddy More TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy More. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, you know what I can't understand? Anytime them want dancehall for use in a good way, them highlight it very, very, very good. You see me? But anytime things are going and before them try fix it, them just try bash it. So the other day, Skeng go over Guyana. Zine, me don't really know what totally took place. But anything take place, another first, we are see that. You see me? So, buckle start, fling, gun must bust, and a bag of things go on. However, the Prime Minister for over Guyana banned dancehall artist Skeng from ever performing. And a matter of fact, him did even say artists like Skeng will never get to perform in Guyana again. So I don't know if a Skeng alone get banned. But the point to me I say, everybody are going like say, yo, a Skeng is the promoter. Skeng is the security guard. You see me? So a Skeng response for everybody we forward in at the party with gun. A Skeng did a fling buckle and a fling stone off of the stage. I don't know how smart if they one place 2 times because him a perform on stage, but him there in the crowd a fling buckle. I must that go on. Everybody a talk about this and that and that. So Anju Wellness now go make this comment. And people, why you pray this?
Another country say, I don't want your artists in my country. It's an embarrassment. And we see it trickling down into the fights in the schools. We are concerned, we are very, very concerned and worried about it. What has happened to us as Jamaicans is that we're being defined by some very limited things. You know, Whap Whap and Chop Chop and Ensure and all of them. All of those things have their place, but they can't define us. We should not allow that to define us.
What are we Andrew know the lyrics for Whap Whap? I wonder if Andrew ever use it Ensure. You know what? We not talk about that. But what me I say? Me not like it, Mr. Prime Minister. Because I end the idea, when a election time, you roll out the songs them pan dub. And you figure, oh well, you go like you figure that one.
Is there? The baddest song represent for the baddest. I said I represent for the most honorable and Jones. Is there? In case you're about a whisper, from before Corona and just social distance, print visual, PNP no 9 picture.
Me not think me I got to dwell on that topic here, you know, because we don't know it already. This is not the first, this is not the second time, and definitely it not gonna be the last. So me I beg you please up off a dancehall. If you don't want to do something about dancehall, if you don't like the code and the Ensure and the Whap Whap, try and fix it instead of wreck it. JCDC festival for keep, you know. And for the first time in how much in years it now go keep me cause on the claim say you no get enough entry. Me no know what kind of style that people have to come out mad and crazy. And me hear on the radio this morning say it a go keep again. So imagine good festival something where you know can help build an artist because remember we see it build Beanie Man. I don't want to tell no lie, but I think say Yellow Man did win the competition. They are TST channel. I remember. But anyway, them little competition they help build artists. Me see Tamo J win it last year. Second income. Yeah. Me see Tamo J come second in night last year as a little artist. Same way. Me see Statious forward back and win. Even though she did boss already and that they kind of confusing to me. But it don't matter. Because that's something we consider the music. We don't just always use the music in your clocks. Fix up that something there, Andrew. Anyway, make we talk about where the people are wait pan. Dexta Reacts.
Bring it to the owner. No. I would say I might be so come. Yeah.
So people, Dexta Reacts perform over NASA. Zin, and you know Dexta style already. If you look on the screen now, them something them keep up. And everywhere him go, them something them keep up. And that's why my woman can't go no Dexta Reacts concert. But that different still. So when we see that video they are circulate on the internet, and clearly everybody would just assume say it's a female, we see this other video circulate. So people start say it look away. People start say the girl, the female, is actually a man. She born as a man. Anyway, still people, the female, they here for clear it up. And Dexta Reacts, they here for clear it up. So no foul play no go on, not even chicken. So we can clearly call her a female now. Because she says she's a female and she says she born that way there. So she took it to her Facebook page and made this lengthy post. And the female goes by the name. What is that? Cakes? Yeah, she goes by the name Cakes Albury. Zane? And she said, yes, it was me for clarification for those who missed it. Me being a good dancer, I always say to myself and my best friend that if I ever got the chance, I would want to give him my number. I guess she thought Dexta Reacts the party, you know? Jaja. I am a very ambitious woman. Well, and Mama say I am a very ambitious woman. Anyway, still, we can't say that it's just a typo. Anyway, I am a very ambitious woman and competitive. So when it comes to showing up and showing out, I always do, baby. I just want to say, please stop spreading the false rumor of me being a trans/man. Please stop ruining Dexta Reacts' name. He's my favorite and only artist at heart. Don't get me wrong, I love it all. But I have my reasons for his music and other dancehall music. I am dancehall queen. I can do it all day. We all have things in life we did. No one's perfect. I don't judge no one, so I don't expect no one to judge me. Just wanna say respect and thank you to everyone who stood up for me and Dexta. During this time, we appreciate the love and support. And those of you that spoke down, thank you. I'm not thin skin, thank God. But if I was a female with low self-esteem who was just having fun and y'all turned it left, right and center, it's amazing the extent some people go to for like. Once again, thank you. Because of you haters, my dream came through. I met Dexta Reacts and actually got to touch him. Don't forget, August 20, Brooklyn, New York. See you there. Jaja, so it look like say she go drive, not drive, fly Brooklyn again for your show. Anyway, people, that's what she said. And then again, I kind of understand what the female say because, you know, it look away. But the video did also look away. But we understand social media will twist up things. And that's why I tell people, once them do certain things, just expect to get bash. You see me? Just social media now a one crazy place. It's not a real place. And then again, me not condone it. You see me? But it is what it is. So that's what she said. Dexta reposts her. And Dexta reposts her with this caption. A matter of fact, Dexta reposts Evil Boss too. But at the end, I show you that video. But Dexta also had this to say. Listen, you know me not easily distracted. And me not follow sususu normally. And I don't care to address bad mind people. But I just want to stand up for a young lady that genuinely loves her artist. Come off of the girl back. Y'all not light. She even have her you them. Go bad mind. You're too active. New York, I'm ready. August 20 people. The party they look like it a go well loud. I wonder if a stage Dexta them stage this. Think about it. Cause she promote the party. Dexta promote the party. I wonder if it's a stage performance. You see me? Like, I don't know. But what Dexta say when the girl have her youth and think that it's actually true. If you look on the screen right now, you will see it. And of course, me I go blur out our daughter picture cause me not go do that. And a matter of fact, me I go blur out for her picture too cause me don't know if she really want to brawling with it like that. But then again, her name searchable so anybody can see it. So if you see it, you see it. If you don't see it, you don't see it. People, let me know what you think in the comment section with the whole topic here. You know, social media not easy. I look at something circulate. Them and say the dogs did a wine with a man and them thing there. Anyway, female forward out and say nothing like that. But let me know in the comment section what you think. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget